My name is Sebastian, founder of Retail-Outsource. A short video on how to add a secondary user through SPN, that is Service Provider Network, on Amazon Seller Central. So let's get started. The main thing, make sure that you log in through the admin account. Once you're logged in, go to User Permissions, click on User Permissions. From here, you will be able to see two tabs, Users and Authorized Partners. Amazon is gonna end users side soon, and you will only have authorized partners. So click on Authorized Partner and then click Add Authorized Partner. So what will happen is that Amazon will provide you with a link that you can forward to that service provider network, and they have to click on that link and accept that invitation within 7 days. And once they have approved it, you have to come back over here and click on Edit. Also on the drop down, if you want to remove it, you can remove it as well. So you have to give access, you have to give permission to different parts of your account, right? Based on whatever service they are providing. So if they are doing PPC, you only have to give permission to the PPC side and maybe to the inventory, for example. So click on Edit Permissions. I will not suggest to give this multi-site permission. What I will suggest, is to select the countries. So whatever countries that service providers are working on, you have to select those countries. In this case, I'm just going to select all and make sure that you select Edit. Ideally, I will not recommend to give admin access to anyone. And if it's just for an audit, account audit, in that case, you only have to give view only access, view only. So select all those options that you want to give permission to those service provider, and then make sure that you click on Save. It will take around 5 minutes to get it applied, and they will have the access to your account. Please let me know if you have any questions or doubts. Thanks a lot.